Welcome back, YouTubers. Today we're going to learn how to find a leak in your AC system. If your AC system stopped working, like how mine did. First step is you got to go get something like this with a UV leak detect Freon. Alright? This was kind of expensive, 30 bucks. O'Reilly's, AutoZone, probably go Walmart cheaper. So we're gonna go in here, and what we're gonna do is start the car, AC full blast. Okay, we got AC full blast, okay? Go out here, check the pressure. So we got low pressure. Alright, squeeze some of this up. I filled this up yesterday with regular Freon, and I was at about 40 psi, and now we're low, so we're gonna shoot this in. To get up about 30 psi. Alright, kind of shake up the can. So I think I got enough leak detector in there. See here. All right. There's a regular one. I want to save that for the next project. So, all right. All right. Over here. So we got a bad leak. All right. AC is blowing cold. That's because he just kicked in. All right. See that we're losing pressure fast. Alright. So we're done with this. Next step. UV light. Alright, let's see here. Make sure I didn't close the garage on there. We're good. Kill all the lights. Turn this sucker on. And let's shut this one off. I usually check the condenser for any type of leak. Okay. Sometimes one of the little grooves right there. But in this situation, it's Nothing here. You see that? Look, little. See here. You can see a little dye in there. Go down the line. Pretty much just checking all the AC lines. So let's look down here now. AC compressor. I should probably jack it up. This motor's so tight. Everything's so tight. This is the big boy. Let's see here. Look how tight this motor is. Barely stick my hand down here. All right, let's see. The ABC pump's right here, so I can't really see. I'm gonna have to jack it up. But yeah, pretty much just go through all your lines. Nothing's leaking. Yeah, nothing's leaking down here. Nothing's leaking. Kind of follow the lines all the way back here. Checked everything, nothing's leaking, so I'm gonna have to jack it up and really look underneath there. So check out part 2, the diagnostic. So thanks for watching, you guys. Subscribe, follow us, and check out part 2. We'll post part 2 tomorrow. Thanks a lot.